Hey guys, Gecko here, and today I will be showing you how to join Discord HYPESQUAD. So, I will show you how to determine that you are already in Discord HYPESQUAD once you have signed up, and I will show you how to sign up for those who haven't signed up yet. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to enter Discord and click on your user settings, which is at the bottom left of the Discord app. So once you get into here, you can find Discord HYPESQUAD easily. You should find it easily as it's just right here. And if it's not there, then it's probably your Discord that has a problem. So once you find this, just click on this and you will see a video like this, and you will see a test probably below the video if you haven't signed up yet. So all you need to do is to take the test and just answer 5 questions, and based on your preferences and your answers of this question, Discord will automatically assign you to either the House of Bravery, House of Brilliance, or House of Balance. So take this test seriously, as this will determine which house you will go to. But if you're not happy with your current house, you can also retake the test to try to enter another house. So with that said, after you have applied, Discord will send an email to your email that you used to sign in with this Discord, and they will tell you that you have joined HYPESQUAD, and they will probably send this email within 5 minutes or so if you have good Wi-Fi or good data. So you should have a profile badge in your profile photo at the main screen in Discord. Over here, let me show you. Just exit, go to any group, click on your name, then click on your profile photo, and you will find the HYPESQUAD Balance logo. Not necessarily HYPESQUAD Balance though. It's only mine that is HYPESQUAD Balance so far, because I managed to enter HYPESQUAD Balance, and it depends on which house you will be in, and the color will be different. The shape of the badge will also be different. But as long as you see this, right, like any shape, you already know that you are in HYPESQUAD. And don't worry if there's no color to this, like if it's white or something, because that happens when the background of Discord is blue or Discord is glitching. It could be either one, but yeah, don't worry about the color overall, because they don't mean anything. You can just tell which house you're in by looking at your shape. So yeah, if you want to watch the video, I will leave the video down in the description, the link. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this in the future. Goodbye.